Hello, dear Centennial students. My name is Saksham Singh. Hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools remain closed, we should study through videos. Today we study computer, and the topic is use of Home tab in MS Word. In the previous video, we study how to open a MS Word, how to save a file in MS Word, how to save as a file in MS Word, and how to open a file in MS Word. These are the 4 points which was studied in the previous video. Hope you are doing your homework. So after that we move forward and study about the Home tab. All of you, first of all, we open the MS Word. So it is present on my desktop. I double click on it and the Microsoft Word is open. So Home tab is seen from all of you see when we click, it is already clicked. Home tab, you see the Home tab is divided into subgroups, that is font group, paragraph group, styles and editing. Today we study the subgroup, that is font. In this font group we will study the following point. First point is how to change the font face. How to change the font face. For changing the font face, follow the procedure which I taught you. Before typing anything, you can click on this arrow. It is seen there. Yes, here. If you click on this arrow, a drop down list will appear. You can choose. Now you select the font face of your choice. That is, I selected Times New Roman. That is, I selected Times New Roman and I type some text, and that is you can see the all text will type in the Times New Roman font face. If you want to change the font face, so click on this arrow again, and then select your appropriate font face. I choose Arial Black. Now you type some text more. Is now you can see the difference between these two faces. This one is, which I highlighted, this one is Times New Roman font face, and this one is Arial Black font face. You can choose any of them of your choice. All of you understand the font face, how to change font face. Now come to the next point, how to increase or decrease the font size. For doing so, all of you see this arrow, click on this arrow, a drop down list will appear. Now you can choose any of your size. So I choose 14 and the font face is Arial Black. You can change if you want to change, but I did not. Now you can see the difference over there. This font size is 14 and the other font size is 11. There is a difference. If you want to more bigger the font size, click on this arrow and click any of your choice. That I choose 20. Now if you write it, then you can see the difference. It will write on the 20 font size, and the difference you have seen there, it is smaller and it is bigger. All of you understand the how to increase or decrease a font size. Okay, another important thing is how to make text bold, italic and underline. For doing so, I suggest first of all you write some text. So first of all I decrease the font size, it's 20 is bigger, so I choose 12, and I also change the font face, that is I choose Times New Roman. Okay, so I write as 2 lines. People so I write 2 lines over there. If you want to make the text bold, italic and underline, the procedure is same, only the difference is you click on the bold button or italic or underline button. So steps are, if you want to make the text bold, first of all you select the text. So for doing so, if you want to select the word that is civilized, so for selecting this, click on the click cursor over, bring the cursor over there and click the left mouse button and drag this word. If you want to bold this word also, you can drag over there, and for doing so move the cursor from right to left side. If you select these 2 words, then release the left mouse button and click on the bold button. You can see the words are bold. If you want to make the text italic, so I choose this, all are, I choose these 2 words. So bring the cursor from the right hand side of the all word and click the left mouse button and drag from left to right. So I select all and are and release the mouse button and then click on the italic button. You can see these 2 words are italic. If you want to make the text underline, so I choose this, forms and different. Bring the cursor from the left hand side of the word, click, hold the left mouse button and drag from left to right of this word. I choose these 2 words, forms and different, and click on the underline button. You can see the text is to be underlined. All of you understand that why a question is arise, why we use bold, italic and underline button. You can see, if you want to make text bold, if you want the text is to be highlighted, you can choose these 3 buttons. While in giving headings, you can make the text bold, underlined or italic. Okay, all of you understand that. Next, we want to change the text color. If you see, the text color is black. If you want to make the text any color, you can see this A and their left hand side is a drop down arrow. Click on this arrow, a drop down list will appear. You can choose any of the color if you want to make the text colorful. First so I choose red. So if you want to write anything, I write anything, you can see the text color is changed and it is red. So all of you understand that. In this session we will study the font group. So all of you understand, first I study how to change the font face and font size, how to make text bold, italic and underline, and how to change the color of the text. So there is a all of you done, and so there is a homework for all of you. Please note down it. इसको रब कर देता हूँ. रेड आ रहा है, इसको ब्लैक कर देता हूँ. First question is, write down the steps to make the text bold, italic and underline. And the next question is, write down the steps to change the font face. Question number 3. Write down the first is okay. This is your homework. Do it in your copy and then take a photo of the answers and upload on the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.